You do not need to pay monthly for CapCut Pro when you can have all the Pro features for totally free. You wanna find how? You just need to follow exactly my steps. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open CapCut normally, create a new project, make sure to add Pro features like this one. You can do what you want without any problem. Okay, but if you want to export it now, it will tell you to upgrade to CapCut Pro, which you don't want to do. So click go back to edit. The first step is to select all the media and features you have in the editing section like that. Right click and then click on create compound clip. It will be combined and merged like that. The next step is to right click and then select pre-process compound clip. This way it will be rendering and saved your draft files. You just need to wait to the pre-processing to finish. Okay, so now it's done. All you need to do is to close the project. After that, in the CapCut launcher, as you can see in the top right corner, go to settings, select settings. Now we need to access to the draft files that the video is saved to, which is the first one. Go ahead and click this file icon. After that, go to the path and copy it. Close CapCut, go to your file explorer. After that, paste it right here. Now you need to look for the project name, which is this one for me. Click it. After that, go to resources and then go to combination, and you will find your file here already exported in MP4 format without the need to upgrade to CapCut Pro, and you can use this method every time you want to use the Pro features. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.